Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Python and idle are installed, because idle is the lightweight IDE that runs code for you. Open idle now from your system menu or run idle 3. Once the shell appears, you'll see the interactive prompt where you can test lines instantly. Make a new file with file new file if you intend to save code. Save the file with a Py extension in a folder you can easily find to avoid path confusion later. Now write the Python program in the editor. You must save the file first so idle can import and execute it correctly. Once saved, run it using run module or press F5. Idle executes your script in the shell, so watch that window for output and errors. If your program expects user input, that interaction happens in the shell. Use print statements to inspect variables and small test cases to verify logic. This helps isolate issues quickly before more extensive debugging. Finish by reviewing the shell output and confirming results. You're done when output matches expected behavior. If errors appear, read the traceback to find the file and line number, then edit and resave the file before running again. Make sure to restart the shell between runs to clear old state with run restart shell so stale variables don't mislead you. If imports fail, verify you're using the correct Python interpreter or virtual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.